Python is a popular high-level programming language that was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility, and is used for a wide range of applications. Including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and more. Python is an interpreted language, which means that the code is executed line by line as it is read by the interpreter. It uses indentation to define code blocks, which makes it easier to read and understand compared to other programming languages that use brackets or other symbols for this purpose. One of the key strengths of Python is its large standard library, which provides a wide range of built-in functions and modules that can be used for various tasks. Additionally, there are many third-party libraries available for Python, which can be easily installed using package managers like pip. Python's popularity has led to the development of many frameworks and tools that make it easier to develop applications in Python, such as Django for web development, NumPy for scientific computing, and TensorFlow for machine learning. Overall, Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that can be used for a wide range of applications. Its popularity and community support make it a great choice for developers of all skill levels. For more knowledge, like, share, and subscribe. AS Machine Learning Hub.